All right, safety managers, procurement officers, listen up. We're skipping the fluff today because, frankly, your workers' lives are literally on the line. I've got 4 absolutely non-negotiable welding gear specs you need to know right now to protect your team and your budget. Let's dive in. Okay, first up, and this is hands down the most severe hazard in the workshop. Never ever spec ordinary polyester. Yeah, it's cheap, but here's the reality. When it gets hit by high heat sparks, synthetic fabrics don't just burn. They melt, they drip, and they will literally fuse directly to a welder's skin, turning what could be a minor accident into a life-altering burn. You've got to mandate no melt, no drip performance right now. No exceptions. Next, let's talk about ISO 1161 standards, because this is where buyers constantly get it wrong. Look, Class 1, that's for lighter risks, clean shops, light TIG welding. Class 2 is strictly for your heavy spatter, overhead work, shipbuilding. But here's the kicker. Do not blindly overspec. If you hand a guy a heavy Class 2 jacket for light-duty work, you know what he's going to do? He's going to roll up his sleeves to cool down, and boom, exposed skin. You have to match the class to the actual risk. Now let's look at the actual math of heat stress. Fabric weight matters immensely. For general fabrication shops, you're aiming for 330 to 350 GSM. Now, if you're stepping up to heavy, high burn-through risk overhead welding, you need 400 to 450 GSM. But wait, thicker is not automatically better. If you mandate some massive 450 GSM fabric for a hot workshop, you are basically guaranteeing heat stress and worker fatigue, which actually leads us right into the smartest procurement solution out there. And that's zone protection. This is your pragmatic fix, a real game changer. Instead of wrapping your welders in what's essentially heavy armor, you use comfortable, breathable, flame-resistant cotton for the main body of the garment. Then you just reinforce the specific high-risk impact areas, we're talking the chest, forearms, and thighs, with heavy leather or remed. So you're getting ultimate protection exactly where the sparks land, without destroying their mobility or trapping all that body heat. So I want you to ask yourself right now, are your welders overprotected on paper, but maybe underperforming in reality? Because their gear is just too heavy to wear properly. It's time to rethink your fabric, match the material to the job, and prioritize practical, wearable safety over this idea of blanket overspecking. Seriously, go audit your inventory today.